Time for a crypto market update, June 21st, 2025. It's the weekend and manipulation runs rampant during the weekends, especially when you hear headlines like B-2 bombers flying to Guam, getting ready to potentially take action here from the United States in the Middle East. And most of those headlines are simply used by market makers and specifically offshore central exchange accounts to try and wipe out leveraged traders. And it's really ultimately a very dirty thing that normal retail investors don't even know is happening, but it's happening. And humans want an explanation why price goes up and price goes down, and so they cling to the latest headline or narrative, and then they get scared and they sell their altcoins or whatever it is that they've been hoping would go up in price. And then what happens is that they get washed out. Then smart money all the while has been buying those bags, posturing for the next impulsive move up, and then retail gets back in and drives the FOMO metric sky high, and you have euphoria blow off top. And that's how markets end. Markets do not end in fear. If you're overexposed in altcoins that are low liquidity, low market cap, but you have conviction and you feel like the utility is there, maybe it's not a meme coin or, something you saw from some random TikToker or YouTuber, but something you did research on, and man, it's been doing so good, but dang it, it's doing so bad. Just hang on. Just wait. Don't freak out. The moment as fast as it can do that, it can do that. Micro caps, small caps, mid caps, one green candle from a market maker changes the entire trajectory and trend on any altcoin. And as long as you have Bitcoin floating above, heck, it's at 102, 103 right now on the daily chart. As long as it's above like 92K, you're in bull market territory. You have this float, this buoyant float at the top of the crypto market food chain. And at any moment when liquidity from other sources, I'll show you one here in just a second, enters the market and profit rotations happen, Bitcoin dominance falls while Bitcoin's price is at a new discovery cruising altitude. That's when things get really crazy and really life-changing. Right now, we have total money market funds at an all-time high of $7.5 trillion. This literally is just money on the sidelines waiting for washouts, waiting for dips, waiting for quote-unquote crashes, waiting for World War III scares, waiting for the wall of worry to make you give up so that the smart money can move from 3.3% APR to 6,500% APR. Meanwhile, while your neighbors, your cousins, and your friends are all thinking crypto is a scam again, Ethereum metrics from the past 24 hours, thanks to Ted here, DeFi total value locked, up. Stablecoin market cap, up. DEX volume, up. Perps volume, up. Bridge total value locked, up. Ethereum runs the show at this stage of the cycle. Bitcoin's our buoy. It's our buoyant float. It's our hot air balloon. Ethereum is our jetpack. And when Ethereum starts moving into price discovery again, or at least going to new or cycle highs, that's when you're going to see your portfolio completely do an about face. But if you're investing alone right now, this is a really hard and scary part of the market. And it's the reason why 1% of people ever get rich or wealthy utilizing the crypto asset class. You'll also continue to see bears capitulate. These are actual crypto people telling you that there won't be an alt season. This happens every time. You can actually go back to the past crypto cycles and you can ask Grok or ChatGPT. I asked Grok because that's where a lot of crypto people live today and yesterday on Twitter or X. You can actually find all the posts from the past where people say there will be no alt season. I went and I have documented almost all of them, and I have pages and pages of these. Alts are dead. Bitcoin is the only game in town. No altcoin rally coming anytime soon. Everyone waiting for alt season, but it's not happening. Bitcoin dominance is too strong. Alts are bleeding. That's 2017 alone. 2018, no alt season this year. Alts keep dumping. Bitcoin's the only safe bet now. People hyping alt season, but it's not coming. Bitcoin's eating everything. Alts are trash. 2018, 2019. No alt season in sight. Bitcoin's holding up. Alts are getting crushed. Stick to Bitcoin. Alts aren't getting anywhere. No alt season, just Bitcoin pumping. Wake up. Do you hear anybody telling you that right now? If you're trying to build wealth, legacy wealth, and you don't feel crazy, or if someone's not calling you crazy, then you're probably not trying hard enough, or you're fishing in the wrong pond. And if you don't look at yourself in the mirror and call yourself crazy, you're probably fishing in the wrong pond. And I don't know about you, but where I'm from, when I try to talk to people about crypto investing, they look at me like I'm some kind of purple cow, some weirdo, some outcast. They don't even know how to talk to me. There's no vocabulary, there's no connection, there's no bridge. And I'll be honest, that's hard to do, especially when you as an investor, as a human, long for people who share your conviction, who share your philosophy, who can see hopefully what you see coming down the pike. But it's hard to be brave in an environment that feels lonely. And I think that's one of the biggest struggles in crypto, is just having humans that you can trust, that share your core values, that you can share a strategy with. I mean, think about it. How many endless groups are there for real estate or stocks or Forex or et cetera, et cetera? And not that there's any shortage of crypto groups out there, but like the good ones, the high quality ones, the ones that are well vetted, and they're just Main Street people with skin in the game. It's not just a bunch of rainbow chasers and tire kickers trying to get the next lotto ticket to hit. If you're tired of doing crypto alone, you don't have to, but you got to make sure that it's in line with what you're wanting to achieve. Everyone has different goals. That's why I created Crypto Y'all. I wanted a way to show people what I've done to change my family's trajectory. I come from one generation removed from extreme poverty. I mean, houses that you can stick a number 2 pencil through the siding on, and all the way to life-changing money. And that's thanks to crypto. But it's not a blackjack table. You have to treat it like a business. You have to treat it like a discipline. And if you don't want to do that alone, and you're tired of just playing the guessing game, or you're tired of chasing all these guys on this platform around who are throwing ticker symbols at you, and you just want your capital to grow and be more productive, then go to cryptoyall.com and watch my video. It's a 12-minute overview video. There's really no skin on your back, off your back for it. It's free. And if you like what you see, you can schedule a one-on-one video call with me. But I will say this, it's limited availability and first come, first serve, as I do have very small slots. I don't have this army of people that work for me. I'm a one-man show. I believe that people without purpose decay and rot away. And one of my great purposes on this planet is to help people understand the real way to invest in Web3, crypto, blockchain technology in a profitable and safe way. Speaking of scammers, I have thousands of them, imposters. That's not me. If you're talking to me in a direct message somewhere, it's not me. Don't send the fake me any money or any crypto. Don't connect to any wild websites that look too good to be true, because it probably is. I promote self-custody first and foremost. Hot wallets, cold wallets, primary market, liquidity pools, being a liquidity provider, understanding leverage, appreciation, cash flow, self-autonomy, being an autonomous productive market participant. Go to cryptoyall.com if you want to learn more. Like and follow for more, and give me a number 5 in the comments if this is helpful.